Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 8 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3042. Count prefix and suffix pairs 1. Let's read the problem statement first. You are given a 0 indexed string array words. Okay, so see this example number 1. We have word string array given to us and these are the strings, right? Let's define a boolean function is prefix and suffix. Okay, so we are going to define a boolean function. Okay, we are going to write a code for this boolean function that takes two strings, string 1 and string 2. Okay, is prefix and suffix, okay, we are passing two strings, string 1 and string 2. It is going to return me true if string 1, okay, is both a prefix and suffix of string 2. All right, and false otherwise. Okay, so see this example. So here this is nothing but my string 1, okay, and this is nothing but my string 2. Okay, so now see this string 1, okay, so it is a prefix of this string 2, right? Here see this aba, and this ab is also a suffix in my string 2, right? So it is true because aba is a prefix of aba, ba, and also a suffix, right? So that simply means that is true. Okay, and here see abc, so it is starting with abc but it is not ending with abc, right? So it is false. Okay, so we have to return an integer denoting the number of index pairs I and j. Okay, this is important, such that I should always be less than j. Okay, I should be always less than j, and is prefix and suffix, okay, is true. Okay, so we have just denote the number of index pairs, okay, in which my I index should be less than j. Okay, so the index of this word, okay, it should be less than the index of this word. Okay, so now see this example. Okay, so first how we are going to solve this problem using brute force. So I'm going to keep my I at this particular position, and then I move my j from this index to this index. Okay, because my I should always be less than j. So first I will check a and aba. Okay, so a prefix and suffix. Okay, so this is one case, a and aba. Okay, so this is one case. Okay, then a and a. Okay, so this one is also matching, na? A and here a b, a b a. Okay, so this is also matching. Then my j is going to move forward here, so this is also matching. Okay, so these three are done. Okay, so now after that my I is going to move forward. Okay, my I reaches here, then my j is going to start from here. Okay, in these two indexes I have to check. Okay, my j position. Okay, so aba, and here aba, and here it is also ending with ab. Okay, so this is one more pair, perfect pair, aba, and here aba. Okay, then my j moves here. Okay, so compare this and this, so it is not valid. Okay, now my I is going to move forward here. So aba, so this string is not a prefix or suffix, right? This aba is not a prefix or suffix for this one. Okay, so this is done. Then my I is going to move forward and j is going to be out of bound. Okay, because my I should always be less than j. So these are the four different pairs, right? So here see a right, this one, and here aba. Okay, so total 4. So this is what we need to return, right? So now let's code it. Okay, so it's very easy. So here first of all let's calculate the number of strings in my words array. Okay, so how we are going to calculate? So create one variable int n. Okay, let me just zoom it. Int n is equal to word dot length. Okay, and take count variable and set it to 0. Okay, and then we have to run one loop. Okay, so now this is very important, right? I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I is equal to I plus plus. Okay, so we are incrementing I by 1. Okay, so now this is given, right? I should always be less than j. So here for the next loop, okay, so my j should be always be I plus 1. Okay, that's the reason. So j should be less than n and j plus plus. Okay, and inside this I will just check one condition. Okay, if my I is not equal to j. Okay, okay, so I actually we don't need to check because my j is always going to start from the next index now. So here I will just check if, and I'm just going to call this method. Okay, is prefix and suffix. Okay, let's use it because in the question statement is asking to use this now, so I'm going to use this same. Okay, if is prefix and suffix. Okay, and in this I'm going to pass two strings. Okay, so string at index I, all right, and I'm going to pass the string at index j. Okay, words of j. All right, so if this is true, then we have to just increment the count, and here my for loop ends. So here we are just going to simply return count. Okay, so now just write the code for this one. Okay, so we have to define this boolean function only, right? So here simple, it's very simple, private and boolean. Okay, return type boolean, and here this function is prefix and suffix. Okay, in this I'm just going to pass two strings. Okay, so string str1 and string str2. Okay, so here once this is done, right, so inside this what we need to write, okay, let me just zoom it. Okay, so now inside this simple statement, okay, if s2 str2 dot starts with, okay, str1, all right, and here and str2 dot ends with str1. Okay, now in that case only we have to return true, otherwise return false. That's it, that's it. Okay, so it's very easy, right? Return false. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there any code issue. We'll try to fix that. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And what is it going to be time complexity for this one? Okay, we are here somewhere, right? Time complexity is going to be of n square. Okay, if my n is very big, okay, so of n square. So in this problem, constant size is very small. Okay, so we are able to pass the solution with this brute force. Okay, so now I have one follow-up question for you guys. Is there any other better approach than this brute force? Okay, if yes, then please mention it in comments, and why. Okay, just tell me these two reasons. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand this approach, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.